this video I will show you how to tie the gathering knot, other called the wrapping knot. To make this knot you will need loose threads from your project plus one additional thread that's about 1 meter long. Take the end of the separate thread and make a long loop pointing up. Bring the upper end of the loop to the place where you want to start the wrapping knot. Gather all the threads together and secure them with your thumb. Now wrap the free end of the thread around all threads as many times as you want. Place the threads close to each other for a better look. Then put the end of the thread through the loop. Take the upper end of the loop and pull until the loop disappears under the wrapped area. Cut off both ends of the thread and hide them under the knot with the tip of your scissors. And that's how a finished gathering knot should look like. To learn other useful macrame designs and knots, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.